On the back.
License plate?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 5/16.
Yeah. Hi.
Okay, so actually rides pretty decent with these wider tires, taller tires, but since the spacers make it stick out further when you hit bumps with people in it, it rubs. So, gonna lift the aveo. These were $31 on Amazon. Working on the air intake right now. Get ready to drill a hole in it for the airflow sensor, and we'll get stuff hooked up.
It's for Charlie's room eventually.
What do you think, Charlie?
Mine.
What do you think? You having a good day?
Yeah. Look.
Maya, you having a good day?
Yes, mine, Maya.
Are you having a good day too, Hannah?
Put on my coat.
That's a no. Are you having a good day, Nikki?
No.
Yes.
It's on. Don't look too bad, really.
I
mean, does anything really look that great on this car, honestly? That just fits. Fits perfect.
Maya, let's go.
Praise the Lord.
Come on.
I don't think I'll get around to doing any of the lift tonight, but got that much done. One more step.
hold on.
Beautiful day out though. The kids are loving it. Kids love the car. That's the whole point. Hey guys, can you say goodbye?
Bye.
Say see you later.
Bye. See you later.
Okay. Well, it's got silicone out of the way. So, we have the air intake on now, as said before. And look at that. Got the back lifted. With taking a piece out and putting that piece in, it raised it about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch, which is just perfect. And the front should be getting about a 3/4 inch boost as well. We'll go from there. We're gonna get it jacked up and get the wheels off of it and go from there, because we got to go in and cook these little ones some food. But anyways, here's probably what I would assume one of few lifted aveos. Huh? And it'll still be a daily driver. God damn, it's silly. I love it. Oh yeah. We have the fog lights here. The top is white, the bottom is yellow. You can have each light separate or together. Oh, and Hannah turned the hazards on. Hannah, you hazard pusher. Shut that off. Thank you. The red one. Push the red one.
This?
Red.
What?
Yep. Push. Let go. Good job. Leave it alone, okay? Oh yeah. And the roof rack is unique, obviously, like the rest of the car. Okay, well, got the spacers on the front. Waiting for Nikki to get back because I lost a nut and she had it last. So, we'll check back in a minute. Okay, well, we got this side done. Got the spacer put up at the top of the strut. The other strut is kind of stuck, so we are going to eat supper. But anyways, here's the back. The front's jacked up with the 3/4 inch lift. There's Austin. And we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Check out the lifted aveo when it's done.
Well, I think that's answers a lot of my issues.
What? Can you reach now?
Kind of.
Well, we come out to finish the car tonight. Got to finish lifting this corner. The transmission gasket decided to give out the rest of the way, and it leaked everywhere. So, Nikki's in here learning how hard it is to work upside down.
Fuck off, it hurts. God damn it.
It hurts your hands.
No, it hurts my arm.
Hurts your arms, I mean. So, I'll get this side taken apart when she's not under there, because I'll have to use the impact. So, We'll check back in a bit. The car will probably be lifted and driving by tomorrow. Well, getting the pan put back on. That wasn't too hard to get it off. Cleaned up. Got silicone back on it.
Take a picture of my stomach.
Calm down, baby. Nikki's tightening it back up. We're not going to be able to drive it tonight because it's going to have to dry before we put oil in the transmission. So, thanks for watching. We'll be back.
Bye!
Well, YouTube, here she is, the lifted aveo. Gonna let that transmission pan dry overnight, and we'll add some gear oil in the morning, and then we will take her for a test spin. Maybe. It's supposed to be snowing soon.
Whoa, Black Betty!
Heck yeah. I like it. It's hard to see the height difference in video, at least what I'm standing, but you'll see it as we go. Thanks for watching. Good morning, YouTube. It is Saturday morning. I'm getting ready to add oil to the transmission, gear oil. And winter has returned in Iowa. Good thing I got new tires on it. Let's get that oil added and take her for her first test drive. Well, second. Probably third or fourth, who fucking knows. Anyways, let's get her done. Getting the transaxle filled up with the best gear oil O'Reilly's has to offer. Well, it's out there, it's running. When you go to fill the transmission on these, the hole the funnel goes in is about 1/2 inch, but the hole the fluid goes in is less than 1/4 inch, so it takes quite a while for that gear oil to get through there. But anyways, whoops, it's snowing. It's out there. I'm gonna shut the garage door and I'm gonna pull it around front and then wake my girlfriend up because she wants to go for a ride in it. So, happy snowy Saturday, everybody. Well, nothing rubs. Can't zoom in on the screen. Duh. Okay, it's Sunday. The Aveo, it's good. Runs good. Plenty of clearance. It'll rub on the fenders a tiny bit if you hit a big ass bump, but that's to be expected because, well, everything about this car is small. So, it's time to go to the garage and start cleaning because my grandpa's going to be here in a little bit and we're going to put a new muffler on his truck. It's still a little chilly out. Got the salamander heater running. Making some heat. But yeah, I got a lot of cleanup to do. So, we're going to get started on that. Here's the new muffler and pipe for my grandpa's truck. It's what he already had on it, but the old one rusted out, so we're going to get the shop picked up, replace that, and then probably relax because it's Sunday. Thanks for watching. Okay,
Always turn back to what matters.
it's actually starting to look a hell of a lot better in
We
here.
have to just be.
Once again, it's always clean in here, it's always dirty in here. Just depends on what's going on and how far we go. Thanks for all your help, Nikki.
You're welcome.
Thanks for doing all the work. I'm just lazy.
You are.
Shin plug polite.
Oh, man.
Oh, there we go.
Pretty good at fucking shit up.
She's wrong. She doesn't fuck much up. Suppose we'll keep cleaning.